Here I've got Stanley S241 and let me show you how to activate low power solution in the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select battery, and then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and select battery saver. And here, simply by tapping on this switcher, you can activate low power solution. As you can see, this red line will provide you with the information that your device is currently in power saving mode. Then if you would like to switch off battery saver, simply tap on the same switcher, and as you can see, now we are back in the normal mode and the red line disappeared. You can also pick some automatic rules, simply click on turn on automatically, and now you can select either 5 or 15% of the battery. Let me pick 5%, and from now on, every time your battery is slower than 5%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. And that would be all. This is how we can improve battery life, how you can activate low power solution in your Stanley. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.